Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Bottega Veneta model, Original-02 BV1002S in color code 004. It's an ivory color frame. On the temples here we have a gold detailing and a gold Bottega Veneta logo engraved. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple. The lenses are a brown color. The style of the frame is fashion cat eye. Up here we have a Bottega Veneta gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.